Welcome to MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. My name is Dean Ashton, and today we're on board a brand new 2022 Sea Ray 190 SPX Outboard. This boat just arrived and it's available in inventory. As you'll see from the photos, the boat has horizon hull side colors. For power, we set this up with the upgraded 150 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke. You have the sea deck matting across the swim platform and the walk-through here. Nice big sun pad on the back of the boat. This boat is equipped with the stone gray interior. One of the great features about the 190 SPX is the amount of storage you get in this outboard version. Underneath this sun pad, you've got nice deep storage. You can put your beach chairs in there, gear bags, any extra stuff you want to bring on board the boat. This boat is also equipped with the water sports tower. So this is done in black with the integrated black bimini top. You have a bench sheet here across the stern of the boat. And there's a storage compartment that has a drain built in. You can use this as an onboard cooler. This boat is optioned out with the dual bucket seats. So you have a bucket seat here on the companion side and at the helm. Each of them have a flip-up bolster. As you can see, it does have the blue LED lighting package, which gives you the backlit cup holders underneath your bolsters in different areas throughout the boat. It's also equipped with your stainless steel package, which gives you the stainless steel grab handles, latches, and cup holders. At the helm, we've outfitted this boat with the 9-inch digital dash. That's a Simrad unit. You've got your Fusion stereo, and this is the upgraded stereo package. You have storage underneath the console on the port side. A lockable glove box here on top of the console. The boat is equipped with the Infinity woven carpet liner. Here's the subwoofer for your upgraded stereo system. Nice easy walk-through up to the bow of the boat. Up in the bow has the bow filler cushion set. And it also has the upgraded upholstery, which is going to give you the inlays by each grab handle and that nice full wraparound bolster up in the bow of the boat. So that's a real quick walkthrough of this 2022 Sea Ray 190 SPX Outboard. If you'd like to see this boat in person, give us a call at 910-256-8100 or stop by MarineMax at Wrightsville Beach.